Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to extend the countdown timer when you change your display settings in Windows. So let's say you wanted to change your resolution, you right click on the desktop, display settings, and then you change it to something else. I'm recording at a low resolution, so that's why mine's pretty low here. And then you have that 15-second countdown here. So if you want to extend that, let's say it's not enough and you're always changing your resolution for whatever reason, you could do so with a simple registry edit. All right, so if I open my file here, all right, so what we're going to do is open regedit, and we're going to go to this location. You can just copy and paste it into the address bar here. So when you want to look for message duration, double click it. So even though this says 5, and you click on here, it still says 5, that's not the actual number of seconds, because as you saw, it's 15. So you could change this to whatever you want, and it's going to be close. So let's say we put it to 30, did OK, and now we need to either log off or reboot. So we'll log off and back on real quick. All right, so let's try this again. So we changed it to 30. So now you can see it's 48. So it's close to 30. It's just not exactly 30. And then we could also bump it up again. So let's try this one more time here. Let's say 100 to be drastic. Sign out and back in again. All right, let's see what we have now. So now you can see we're up to 256. So obviously you're not going to be able to get an exact number, but you could get it pretty close with a little bit of trial and error. So this may affect other things such as how long notifications for like filter keys and sticky keys stay on the screen. So that might get extended as well. But overall, I don't think it's going to affect anything important. And of course, you could always go back and then just change it to 5 seconds if you want to go back to the normal settings. All right, so let me open my file here one more time. All right, so once again, go to this location in the Registry Editor. And I'll put that location in the description. Look for message duration, double click it, change it to whatever you like, and then you could log off and back on or reboot and try it out and see if it's close to what you need. And if for some reason you don't have message duration, which you should, you could right click, new DWORD 32-bit value, make sure you spell it exactly like this with the capital letters and no space, and then you could double click it and then change it to whatever you like, but you should have it there by default. And then once again, the default setting is 5 in case you need to revert back to the original setting. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.